just around 5-6 minutes ago. But a good time to go to D Street Charter. Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up. Nimesh, beautiful trading session. Last two sessions, getting into the weekend, everyone was saying 200 DMAs coming for sure. The bulls have turned it around.
Absolutely. The second day running in a very strong pullback. And the good part today is, today's pullback, Nigel, is backed by FI buying as well. I'm saying this because there are buy flows, and after a very long time, because for the last many weeks and months, we're seeing aggressive selling from the FIs, right? That seems to be a bit changing now at the margin. So today's FI number could be quite critical and important to track. Having said that, there is a small MOC basket selling the last 30 minutes at a leading FI desk, but largely into very selected nifty names. So that's something to account for, but largely overall the sense I'm getting is that there are buy flows from larger FIs. Also, we have the MSCI semi-annual review tomorrow, which we will react to tomorrow, right? And that again is a big liquidity event. Over $2 billion of inflows is expected for India. So again, that's going to be quite positive. Again, from a sector point of view, technology, of course, is the biggest sector today. Index is up 4%, but metals has seen a big buying interest back, right? So that's one sector to track. And from the fact that now that Trump looks like he's won it and he's going to be the new, president there. A couple of other sectors which could be in the limelight is one, of course, is CDMO players, which especially have US assets. So those companies are likely to do well. You spoke about Welspun Corp. Again, those kind of crude ancillaries is expected to do well. So that's the sector where people are finding for value. But from a technical point of view, I said this a couple of days back, right? 24,070 is a very crucial level. Now that we are above those levels, I think on the downside now, that becomes a very crucial support to track. So at least from the time being, so one big event is out of the way. Couple of more events to watch out for, which are supposed to be binary events, so that's something to track. But looks like after what we saw in US elections today and the kind of momentum we are seeing, the momentum is likely to continue, at least is the feedback, and the fact that there is a FI buying as well, at least in today's market.
Okay, interesting. Nimesh, what about individual stocks?
Well, so the first name on my list is BHEL, a big move on that name. We've seen a stock correcting in the last many days, but today seen a big rally on good volumes as well. The street is anticipating some large order wins for BHEL very soon. Now, NTPC has already announced capex of close to 80,000 crores. They're setting up 3 new thermal power plants. So BHEL is expected to win one of those orders. But additional to that, there is a buzz that BHEL is likely to back a very large order very soon. The second is Cipla and Dabur. Both are seeing there is limit-based buying orders from larger FIs in today's market. So watch out for those as far as delivery-based buying is concerned. The third name is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Within the private bank, this is one stock. It's been pretty much range-bound in the last many days, but now it looks like there is fresh buying emerging in Kotak Mahindra Bank. And of course, the big catalyst for the near term would be the RBI relaxation, which has been speculated for a while now. And the last is Indian Hotels. Just before the earnings tomorrow, there is a bit of buying interest. While the stock is buzzing, there is selling from larger FIs, is what I understand, in Indian Hotels today.
Okay, all right, got that. So lots of buzzers on the radar. Nimesh, thanks very much for getting us the latest. We do